Honk the horn before you start your vehicle in case somebody's taking a nap in the fan shroud. On motorcycles, when you're going around a turn, put your weight up on the gas tank. That way, if you start sliding, it'll be the back tire that slides. If you're about to hit an object in front of you, don't try to second guess each other's movements. Aim straight for it and get the front end up in the air, prepared to run right over it. In most cases, as a rule of thumb. You probably shouldn't even be on a motorcycle.